The permanent way of railroads undergo powerful load daily. The expenses for repair and current maintenance of permanent ways are increasing together with the growth of freight and passenger transportation. Sometimes, the expenses on fixing the defects of the way go up to 50% of the total expenses of service. How to improve the operational parameters of railways and extend the time intervals for track renewal? How to reduce the cost of maintenance of railway tracks? The specialists of InfraTech have found the solution. InfraTech introduces the most advanced technologies and materials in railway infrastructure. The company has its own modern manufacturing facilities, experienced construction team, and a group of developers of track railway equipment. Since 2010, our qualified teams have done contracting work on the creation of more than 800 kilometers of protective sub-ballast layers reinforced with geosynthetics. The application provides significant increase in the bearing capacity of the structure, increased stiffness of the sub-ballast layer to provide maximum protection of the weak subgrade layers, reduction of transverse displacement of ballast caused by high dynamic loads, reduction the deflection on weak sub-ballast layers and their standard deviations, and decrease of total deformations inside the ballast. InfraTech team of engineers and developers created and developed a track of complex for mechanized installation reinforced by GeoCell's protective sub-ballast without removing the rails and slippers. The constructive decision is the method of GeoCell backfill with sand-gravel mixture, which after being cut is supplied on a stretched bulk GeoCell. The complex consists of 2 track machines, GeoCell installation machine, and planning and compacting machine. GeoCell installation machine is implemented on the basis of ballast cleaning machine SCH 600 through innovative technological solutions, fulfilling undercutting backfill material. Laying geotextile and geocells by stretching them to the required width in the formed cutting. And filling stretched geocell with sand-gravel mixture. The planning and compacting machine is designed for slipper surfaces cleaning, backfill material spreading, backfill material hydration, reinforced surface layer compacting, protective layer side surfaces compacting, and transmission of GeoCell to GeoCell installation machine. Economical efficiency is determined by the minimizing of the shutdown time and also reducing manual manpower and mechanized operations connected with rail and slippers removal and installation, and reducing time for geosynthetic installation. There is no need in partial overlap of neighboring railway. It's possible to repair single track sections with reinforcing sub-ballast layer by GeoCell. InfraTech, in cooperation with their Russian and European partners, initiated the development of the next generation complex. The distinctive features compared to previous models are the ability to work both by existing technology with pre-backfill sand and gravel mixture from hopper batches and by the technology of backfill sand and gravel mixture delivery from units directly to GeoCell installation machine. The newly created machine does not require traction installation. All manufacturing operations, geomaterials laying, reinforcing the soil, and protective sub-ballast layer are held by one machine. It significantly reduces the time of machinery transfer from transport to working position and vice versa. It's in compliance with all safety regulations, and it greatly increases the supply of geosynthetics. A complex of measures to evaluate the effectiveness of protective sub-ballast layers reinforced by GeoCell have been held in cooperation with industrial institutes at the Russian Railways infrastructure. Analysis of the railway track sections conditions with protective sub-ballast layer reinforced by GeoCell showed a significant reduction of malfunctions compared to areas without GeoCell, and as a result, the amount of maintenance work decreases by 2 to 5 times. Technical solutions proposed by InfraTech can significantly improve the quality of the railroad tracks, increase average speed, and maximize load capacity while increasing heavy trains carrying, extend the time intervals for track renewal, and reduce maintenance cost, decrease accidents, and improve safety.